At Bill Ossery Motors, we know accidents are never easy, but the question always arises, how will my car be brought back to its pre-accident condition? Introducing Bill Ossery Motors Collision Center, a state-of-the-art authorized Mercedes-Benz collision center located in South Florida. The Bill Ossery Motors Collision Center is unique because of our highly experienced technicians, professional staff, and dedication to quality repairs. We offer only Mercedes-Benz genuine parts, and our technicians follow detailed processes to restore your vehicle to its original state. All our repairs come with a lifetime guarantee. A family-owned business for more than 20 years, our employees take pride in repairing your vehicle with the highest level of safety, precision, and integrity. Since moving to our newest facility in 2007, we have repaired thousands of Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Because of our expertise and training, our technicians are very familiar with your vehicle, thus allowing us to work in a quick, efficient manner, while at the same time ensuring the quality our clients expect and deserve. After arriving at the collision center, your vehicle goes through a careful and detailed diagnostic by our professional staff. A repair estimate is created describing the specific services and repairs that are necessary. The vehicle is then repaired, employing dedicated fixtures and techniques, ensuring Mercedes-Benz assembly line accuracy. After the repair process is completed, the car goes for a final paint finish. The Bill Ossery Motors Collision Center is one of the few facilities carrying a new computerized system that mixes paint to the exact tone of various Mercedes-Benz finishes. Rest assured that your vehicle receives the same finish as when it was originally assembled. Following the paint finish, your vehicle is buffed and cleaned for delivery, so that you will be presented with your vehicle in its original pre-accident condition. Although we know going through an accident can be challenging, here is some information that can help you make the process easier. If possible, drive or have your car towed directly to the Bill Ossery Motors Collision Center from the site of the accident. Or your vehicle can be driven or towed to one of our 2 dealership locations, Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables or Mercedes-Benz of Cutler Bay. Keep in mind that you have a choice regarding where your vehicle should be repaired. We realize that accidents are a part of life, and although we never like to see our clients in these situations, we are here. Our goal is to make the process as seamless as possible and get you back in your newly restored Mercedes-Benz.